Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Mechanical Vibes. In my previous video, understanding the concept of entropy, I have asked you two questions. Now in this video, I will give you the answers for those questions and I will define thermodynamic entropy once again to get more clarity. Okay, let's see the first question. In this picture, which glass is having more entropy according to you? So most people what they will feel, glass 1 will have more entropy because ice cubes are disorderly arranged, and glass 2 is having less entropy because liquid is orderly arranged. But no, remember one thing, entropy means not disorderness in the system. Entropy means how many possible ways energy can be distributed or dispersed in a system of molecules. Always solids will have less entropy, where liquids will have more entropy and gases will have large amount of entropy. So in this picture, liquids will have more entropy, whereas ice will have less entropy. Okay, you got right. Entropy means not disorderness in the system. Entropy means how many, entropy is the measure of how many ways energy is distributed in a system of molecules. Entropy means not disorderness in the system. Remember this point. So many will feel entropy means disorderness in the system, and they will say glass with ice cubes is having more entropy, where glass with water is having less entropy. We have to remember and we have to learn the concept of entropy clearly. Then only we can understand. Entropy is the measure of how many ways energy is distributed in a system of molecules. You have to remember this point again and again. Write down this point in your notebook and memorize it. Okay, now we will move to next question. Which one is having more entropy? In this picture, there are two rooms. One room is very clean and neatly arranged everything, and one more room is messy. All things are thrown away and it is looks like disordered. So again, people misunderstood and they will think room number 2 is having more entropy. No, actually there is no relation between entropy and disorderness in the room. Okay, you must remember what we discussed. Formula for entropy, entropy S is equal to Boltzmann constant into ln of omega. Here omega is equal to number of microstates, and we have the formula for omega. Omega is depend upon G and N. It is not depend upon how objects are arranged in a system. Okay, in a system, how many atoms are there? How many quanta? Quanta means energy, units of energy. Okay, so there is no relation between disorderness and entropy, and there is no concept of entropy between these two pictures. We should not say, we can't say which room is having more entropy. We need to calculate how many atoms and how many molecules are there in this picture. And from classical thermodynamics also, we have S is QLM dt, right? So here also entropy is mainly depend upon Q and temperature difference. Or ds is equal to dq by T for a process. There is no way relation between disorderness and entropy. Okay, you just remove that definition from your brain. Entropy does not mean disorderness in the system. Entropy means how many ways energy can be distributed in a system of molecules. If you check that definition with statistical thermodynamics and classical thermodynamics, in any formula there is no scope for that disorderness. They both depend upon different parameters. These Q and T are macroscopic parameters, and here Kb and omega are microscopic parameters. These microscopic parameters and macroscopic parameters nowhere related to disorderness. See, in both rooms same heat will be there, same amount of heat energy will be there, and same temperature may be there. then how we can say which room is having more entropy? We should not say because of that disorderliness this room is having more entropy. Okay. Next, few people will say if n number of molecules are in small room, it will have less entropy. If that n number of molecules in a big room, it will have more entropy. See, this is a big room and this is a small room. In both rooms, I took number of atoms is equal to x, number of quanta is equal to number of atoms is equal to x, number of quanta is equal to y. So entropy is equal to for example, I got p units. Here also I will get p units only because this area may be small, but there is no relation between entropy and area of the system. Entropy is purely depend upon how many atoms it is having and how many units of energy it is having. Okay. If you have any more doubts in entropy, please ask me the doubts in the comment section. And also please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.